In the survey level of the terrain modeling environment, trace a terrain contour. Select DXF DWG Survey, and then choose a CAD file to load. Set the scaling factor. Place your CAD drawing with reference to the terrain contour. Now activate the Topographic Contour Plan Drawing mode and select the DXF DWG Automatic Generation option. Enclose the drawing area within a selection rectangle. If the CAD drawing is in 3D, the various nodes in the Topographic Contour Plan elevation values are automatically acquired. If the CAD drawing is in 2D, simply define the elevation values for each point in Properties or Graphically in 3D view.